Hey guys, welcome back to CountyLine TV. We're going on a road trip today. We're getting some parts. We got
rocket ships.
Roll the clip.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky.
We got a trunk in the trunk. Boys and girls, we got the goods. We got them, the head studs. Focus, focus, focus. Thank you, thank you. All right. Okay, no, quit. No, go back to focusing. There we are. I just touched that with my nose, if anyone's wondering. We got them ARP head studs and an OE Toyota GTE head gasket. So that's the stuff that I needed to put Dado Padur together. Things are going to be moving right along with the 2J-Z build pretty soon. I'm also picking up a big Garrett turbo probably next weekend. Things are going to start happening. I'm excited. So I hope you guys are excited too. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna get back to work on building my dad a drift car now. Angle kit day. Hey guys, we're getting to the part where I'm actually finally gonna put the gktech angle kit onto the 350Z for my dad's drift car build. And there's like several videos of doing this already, and like Dan Brockett even made one for like the gktech specific stuff. So I'm not gonna waste a bunch of time filming that. I'll give you guys a couple of little, I don't know, glamour shots or whatever, but for the most part what I'll do is I'll just give you like a good lock to lock comparison before and then after. So here's that. Bow! And here's your after. So quite a big difference, well worth the cost of this kit. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I've driven with this kit and it does have like a little bit of like staying at lock, binding if you want to call it that or whatever. But it's super worth it. I just couldn't be happier with it for like the price and everything. So that's the end of that. And that's also where I'm going to close this video out. So like and subscribe, share this video if you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one.